If you want to use sketch to image feature on a Samsung S25 FE, just simply go for the photo that you want to edit. So in this case, let's say I want to add something into this picture, and we have to click on this pencil icon. Now when you have this menu, you have to click on this icon, the AI feature, and select sketch to image. And now you have to draw anything you want to generate in the image. Basically, we have to click here if we want to change some options like the color, for example, thickness of this one, and click X if you want to close it and apply changes. Now let's say I want to put here an additional mouse computer, so let's try to draw the mouse. It looks like this. There we go. Let's add the cable, that will be wired one, and let's see what is gonna generate. If it is gonna recognize this as a mouse. That's actually terrible drawing skill from me, but let's take a look. We have to wait for a few moments until it will be generated. And okay, yeah, it was actually generated. Not in the place that I want, but I believe if you draw it a little bit better, then it will look pretty good. And now we have to click done, and you can save a copy of this one with this additional item. You can draw everything you want basically. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you find it useful.